Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded a cleaning video, or it's actually been a while since I've uploaded a video lately. School has been keeping me super busy. I'm just thankful that everything is going fine. I'm almost done with school, but I just wanted to share a early morning fall cleaning routine here with you guys. So I'm ready for the day, and I have Jayla, my youngest daughter, ready for the day. She's out in the living room having her breakfast. So I went ahead and jumped here in my room to tidy up my bed, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into my bathroom and just wipe it down. Just a typical um, to-do list for uh, every day, just to keep my house maintained and looking good, and just keeps my mind at ease and feel more ready and accomplished. And of course, I always have to start off in my bedroom, because once me and my husband are out of the bed, the only thing I could think of is to make the bed so it makes my room look ready, cleaned, and it just makes me feel so much more accomplished to tackle the rest of the day. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly finish adding the pillows here. I'm going to fluff up the pillow on the little white sofa there. Today was actually a very beautiful foggy morning, and then we're going to go ahead and quickly jump into my bathroom and just do a really quick wipe down. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. It was such a beautiful day. We had rain a couple of days ago, so we've been dealing with 2 days of fog, and it's just making me want to put up my Christmas tree and everything. But of course, I'm gonna wait till November 1st, or after Halloween. I am gonna start putting up my Christmas tree. I'm excited for our new King of Christmas tree that we have for our living room. But on this moment, I already came back from dropping off Sheila at school, and I have like about 30 minutes of 40 minutes of me time to finish getting the house ready and set up before I have to start getting ready for my school time. I do online school here at the house, so I'm just going to go ahead and tidy out the washroom, and then I'm going to put all of the bath towels inside the washer so we could go ahead and wash those. And we're just going to finish tidying up here, and then we'll move on into the living room. Yesterday, I actually received a package, which is my weighted vest. So I have an 8-pound weighted vest that I bought off of TikTok, but I feel like it was like very high up, so I did order a different one from a different company, and that one I do feel like it's more longer. I know the heavier it is, the longer it'll be towards the back part, but the first one I ordered, I felt like it sat a lot on my shoulders and was like making me lean forward more than actually like fixing my posture and like pulling me back. But yeah, I really love using my weighted vest when I can, especially when I'm walking on the treadmill. I do use it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in here and just sell it on Facebook Marketplace, because obviously the first one was already like too, I had bought it months ago, so I couldn't even return it back, and I didn't think about it ahead of time when I could have. But now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the living room. So there's not much here to do. I'm just gonna tidy up the pillows, and then Jayla does do like a little slight, like a little glittery blush type of makeup in the morning. Yeah, she's in third grade, so she's growing up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put her little makeup stuff away. I did put her phone on the charger because she left it on the sofa, and I literally almost fell. You guys saw that there. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and replug up the phone and then put her makeup stuff away, and then we're gonna go ahead and hop into the kitchen.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden desire.
Now my kids are big already, so everybody pretty much already cleans up their mess. This is just the mess from Jayla's breakfast that I did make for her before I go and drop her off for school. She's allowed to have breakfast at school, but she always prefers to eat food at the house, so I do give her breakfast here at the house. But yeah, now I'm just gonna share how everything's looking. I never even did a fall home tour for you guys, but here you guys get sneak peeks of our fall decor. It's just so dark and gloomy and cozy, and I just loved it. But yeah, so I just tidied up the whatever was done from Jayla's breakfast. I haven't had breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and have my coffee while I do my class. But yeah, and then here I'm gonna show it you guys in a bit. I don't know if you guys have seen it already. I can't remember if I shared it over on on Facebook. I mean on YouTube. I know I shared it on Instagram, but we no longer have a dining room, which also too is something we weren't using as a dining room. If a lot of you guys, if you've been around for a while, you know that we just used it as pretty much like a place setting. Like it was just for looks, not used for the purpose as much. So I went ahead and thought about either selling or just packing away, and I actually just packed away our table, like took it apart and everything. And I stored it in one of our storages that we have in our backyard. And then I found this big, nice, chunky, old fashioned, really heavy desk that came with the glass top. And I went ahead and added here the side cabinets that you see here. Those used to be in my boys' room, and I believe that those were given to us from when I brought my cabinet or my TV stand in the living room. The lady, I bought the stand and she gave me like a whole bunch of other stuff, and I remember these were there. And what I did was I moved my coffee station to the center of that because I wanted my desk to be like in the middle, looking through, so I could see through the window and still facing like what the main entrance would be. And so yeah, but I just love the way my new office area looked. I did need to set this up because besides school, once I'm done with school, my plan is to be working from home, and I know for that I was going to need an office. So now I'm just getting ready for school. I do Zoom on one computer, I do my work on the other one. So that's why you guys see two screens here. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm getting ready with my books out and logging in and getting everything prepared for when it's time. So I do start school at 8:30, so it was pretty much almost that time. Also to when we first walked into my new office space, I did have like a gingerbread house on the desk or my table here, and that one my sister gave it to me. She picked it up at Hobby Lobby for me with another Christmas decor, so I'm even more excited to bring those out as well and use them in my new 2025 Christmas decorating videos. But like I mentioned before, I also have a new King of Christmas tree I'm excited to be sharing with you guys soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys found motivation here on my little quick early morning, early fall tidying up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new over here, thank you so much on clicking on today's video. And I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.